On Amazon, a single 1-star review can do more damage than 5 glowing ones. That's because Amazon no longer uses a simple average to calculate your product rating. They look at recency, helpfulness, and more. And suddenly, that one angry customer becomes a big problem. But here is the good news. You can fight back. In this video, I will show you legit ways to remove negative reviews from your listings. No tricks, no policy violations. Just smart Amazon approved moves that every seller should know. But first, there is something important you should know. Amazon has strict rules about reviews. You can't message a customer and ask them to change their review. And you definitely can't offer a refund or discount in exchange for it. That goes against Amazon's terms of service. So how do you remove a bad review without breaking the rules? Good news, Amazon has a tool for that. It's called the Customer Reviews page. Here you can see all your latest reviews in one place. If someone leaves a review with less than 4 stars, you can offer help, like a refund, a replacement, or other support to improve their experience. But to use this feature, you must be brand registered. Once you are, here is how to find it. Go to Seller Central, click on Brands, then select Customer Reviews. Now you'll see all your product reviews in one list. You can even filter them to only see the 1-star, 2-star, and 3-star ones by clicking the star filter. From there, you can reach out to those customers and offer support without asking them to change the review directly. Just to remember, you can ask the customer to remove or change their review. And you are not allowed to offer any kind of reward or incentive for doing so either. So what you can do? Well, what Amazon does allow is sending a helpful personalized message to the customer. One that shows you care and want to fix the problem. Here is an example. It says, "Hi, my name is whatever your name is, and I am the owner of the brand." Put your brand name here. "I just wanted to personally reach out and say I am really sorry about the issue you faced with your product. I know how frustrating that can be, and I truly appreciate you letting us know. We already processed our refund for your order, and we'd also be happy to send you a replacement or offer you a different product from our catalog, if that would help. Please let me know if there is anything else we can do to make things right. Thanks again for giving us the chance to improve your experience." Now here is a tip. Try to contact the customer as soon as they leave the review. The faster you reach out, the better chance they will respond. And sometimes they even update the review on their own. In my experience, around 10 to 20% of people actually change a 1-star review to a 4 or 5-star and after getting a helpful, respectful message. Now let's look at more ways to remove negative reviews. These are for reviews that violate Amazon's own rules. Just like Amazon has strict rules for sellers, they also have rules for buyers when it comes to leaving reviews. So if a review doesn't follow those rules, you can actually request Amazon to remove it. And the good news, it's pretty easy to do. Here is how. Go to your product listing, scroll down to the review section, click to view all the 1-star, 2-star, and 3-star reviews. Let's start with the 1-star reviews first. From the drop-down, select Most Recent. Now you will see Most Recent Negative Reviews. You can also switch between 2-star and 3-star reviews using the drop-down menu. Next, read through the reviews carefully and look for any that go against Amazon Reviews guidelines. If you spot one, you can report it and ask Amazon to remove it. Up next, I will walk you through what those reviews guidelines are so you know exactly what to look for. Another thing, if you are using Helium 10, there is another helpful tool you can try. It's called Review Insight. Here is how to use it. Go to the Review Insight tool, filter the reviews by star rating. Just select 1-star, 2-star, and 3-star. Set a date range like the past 30 days. Now you will see a list of all the recent negative reviews in one place. It's much faster than checking them manually. Now let's talk about Amazon Reviews Guideline. This is really important so you will know exactly which reviews can be removed. A review can be removed if it includes complaints about the seller, issue with customer service, problems with ordering, returns or shipping, comments about the product's condition on arrival or how it was packed, complaints about shipping cost or delivery speed. These topics are not allowed in product reviews because reviews are meant to be about the products only, not the shipping experience. And what about the pricing? Amazon allows general comments on value. For example, for $29, this blender is amazing. That's okay. But if someone says something like, "I paid too much for this," or "the price went up after I ordered," that kind of comment can be removed because it's about an individual buying experience, not the product itself. If you find an item on Amazon that is $5 cheaper than at your local store, that's a fair review. But some reviews break Amazon's rules, and you can request removal if you spot them. Number 1. Unsupported language. Reviews must be in a supported language. For example, only English and Spanish are allowed on the USA site. A French review can be reported. Number 2. Spam or repetition. Reviews with repeated text, strange symbols, or spammy images aren't allowed. Personal information. No phone numbers, emails, order numbers, or other private info. Number 4. Inappropriate content. Profanity, harassment, hate speech, and explicit content, unless relevant to the product, are banned. Number 5 is promotion and competitors' attacks. No external links, ads, or fake reviews meant to hurt competitors. Then number 6. Illegal claims. Reviews cannot suggest illegal use or make unapproved medical claims. So, go through your 1-star, 2-star, and 3-star reviews. If you noticed any that don't follow the rules we just talked about, you can report them to Amazon for removal. You will also want to make sure your seller feedback rating stays high. Just like product reviews, seller feedback has its own set of rules. And if someone leaves a comment that breaks those rules, you can ask Amazon to remove it. Amazon clearly says that they will remove feedback if it meets certain conditions. For example, if the feedback contains profanity or offensive language, if it includes personal details like email address, full name, or phone numbers, or if the entire feedback is actually a product review instead of feedback about you as a seller. That last one is super common. Let's say someone writes, "The Acme Super widget isn't as fast as the Acme Ultra widget." That's not about you, it's about the product. So if they post that as seller feedback, it doesn't belong there, and you can ask Amazon to remove it. To check your seller feedback, go to Seller Central, then Performance, and then click Feedback Manager. If you find something that breaks the rule, click Request Removal. Here is an example. This feedback was removed because the item was fulfilled by Amazon. So Amazon is responsible for the delivery, not the seller. Now, it's not just about removing bad reviews, you also need more positive ones. But that's tough, because only around 1% of buyers leave a review. That means for every 100 sales, you might only get 1 review. If you are not encouraging reviews, it's easy to fall behind. So how you can get positive reviews? Here are some quick tips. Number 1. Use product insert card. Drop a card inside your package. Not just "please leave a review." Make it feel personal. Say something like, "We are a small business and your feedback means a lot." Add a QR code that takes them to a single landing page. Make sure you are not asking directly for positive reviews, just a review, because Amazon is watching. Number 2. Follow up with buyers. Send a polite message a few days after delivery. Just keep it short, no begging. Use Amazon's Request a Review button. This is built into Seller Central. Click it once per order. Make sure your product is actually review-worthy. If your product feels cheap, confusing, or broken, don't expect good reviews. Before chasing reviews, fix the unboxing experience, instructions, and quality. Offer amazing customer support. Fast replies is equal to happy buyers. Solve issues before they turn into bad reviews. A refund or replacement at the right time can flip a bad experience into a glowing 5-star one. And lastly, you can use tools like Review Scan Go or Feedback Whiz. It helps automate the whole review flow with compliant landing pages. Alright, I think you got this. Reviews are important. But if you got puzzled getting reviews, we can help. Just let us know in the comment below or email us at info@ecomclips.com. We will get back to you ASAP. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.